Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The 4 R's. Today is a great day to be alive in the land of the living. Yes family, and I am just coming on here really quick to show you one of my restoration that I did on one of my rentals. I lost some of the footage, but I still got some that I could show you. Please watch to the end so you can really see the transformation. Okay family, if this is the first time you've been on my channel, I welcome you. Let's get right into this video. We got the sheetrock up on the other side over there, so now we're concentrating on over here. Hi family, this is another rehab that my husband and I are working on right now. So this is just the front room area that I'm showing you. Let me step back. Okay, so we're going to replace the ceiling. We're going to do the floors. Okay, so stay tuned. So right here we're taking out the windows, putting in brand new 2x4s, brand new windows we're putting in. We are taking the back wall out because it is rotten and replacing the window. So let me show you. So, hi family, this is the glue. Okay, I am cleaning this floor right now, and all that I'm doing is scraping, sweeping, then I'm going to mop it, then put the stain on there. Very simple. It looks horrible now. So right here, the wood was rotted out, and we had to change it out. So my husband went ahead and he did that. But the floor, the wood is good. It is just very standard. So as you can see, here's where I swept already. Scraped some stuff, and then I have this in here today. For this room, it is a 12 by 12 room, and we're going to use some stain on here, okay? I'll be right back to show you the end result. Everyone, here is one of my restoration rental that I did. I am so sorry I did not get to show you the before pictures, but this is what it looks like on the outside. I'm going to take you on the inside. I had already put some curtains in here for the new tenant. Here is the kitchen. I got stuff everywhere still. These are some bags on the camera. So really and truly, I was trying to stage it